awesome casino. Eating awesome ice cream. Hi, Grandma, I'm putting this on YouTube. That we're going to get ice cream. Ice cream. Yeah. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it. And it's like, let's do ice cream. I tell you, you eat it like a man. Those are endless bread. And this is probably bloody food. Yeah, go be annoying thing. I'm just filming. Eat, Mike. How do you know? She is right. It's free. It is free. The face is crazy hot. Oh. What's 2 times 4, idiot? No. It's blood poop. It's 4, you idiot. Yeah. That's not how you eat ice cream. It's like this little bag, but these are the same size. Hey, look! This is my pet rock, and I might show you guys my pet rock tomorrow. And you got the pet rock from me, because he's a little copycatter. Not, you're with a win. You're Chris Brown. And you're Cleveland Brown. What? You're Cleveland Brown. You're wet brown. You're Cleveland. Peter Griffin. Why do you have such a beard? Here. Yeah. We're gonna go eat.
Come on, boys.
I'll bring my ice cream in the car, Grandma.
Yep. I love you, my boy. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay. Why get so annoyed?
Oh, maybe I'll spend a night tomorrow night. 'Cause I gotta get clothes and my medicine. Love you. Give me a hug.
That's it. Why? So where do we go?
My friend has a name.
Ooh, it's cold out here. Finally, it's snowing.